Hey fellow Kamadians, today I'll be making kofta, a dish that is popular in both the Mediterranean regions and in the Middle East. As with many dishes, there are many variations. The kofta I'll be cooking will consist of a combination of beef and lamb seasoned with a mixture of spices and herbs. I'll start with a pound of ground beef and a pound of ground lamb. We also need 1 small onion that has been finely chopped, a half cup of finely chopped Italian parsley, 2 cloves of minced garlic, a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of allspice, a half teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. The great thing with this dish is how simple it is to make. All you have to do is add all the ingredients to the ground beef and lamb and mix well. I've got the Kamado heated to 400 degrees and I'll place the kofta on a well-oiled grate. It'll take about 4 minutes per side for it to be fully cooked. It's had a total cooking time of 8 minutes, and the kofta is ready to be taken off the Kamado and served. The flavors of the cinnamon, allspice, and nutmeg really complement the beef and lamb well. The koftas will go great with a traditional cucumber and tomato salad and a side of baba ganoush. You can check out a previous video I made for baba ganoush in the link at the end. That wraps it up for this episode of Kamado Planet. Until next time, please subscribe to my channel for more food from all around the world cooked in the Kamado.